Hello and welcome to the another video of Tech Stream. Today we are going to discuss three tips that are very useful for researchers, and those tips are related with Bard Google. So let's start how the Bard Google is useful for today's researchers. So first of all, here I have some text from a research article abstract. So these are some lines from abstract of a research paper from IEEE repository. If I gave the text to the Google Bard and ask him, here we have given some lines from IEEE repository research article, some lines from abstract, and we are going to ask Bard that which research repository the paper is from, and the link for the research article has also been asked. So let's see how Google Bard will answer the query. So here it is. The research paper you are referring to is bridging the gap between AI and explainability in the GDPR towards. And so here's the title, here's a repository name, and here is the link. So let's try either the paper is available on the link or not. There you go. See, the paper is available on the given link. Another tip, let's copy the link, paste it, and ask Bard to write a summary on the given link. So here again the Bard will generate a summary from its paper, from the paper link, and there you go. See, here's the summary, and this is the summary and the key points that are from the above research article. Okay, and the last one is find 10 best research papers. As a query or prompt I have written. So let's ask Bard that find 10 best research papers from the year 2015 to 2023 that are based on climate change from any repository based on citation score. So just hit the enter and Bard will provide you 10 best research articles along with the links, and these are the best tools for researchers. It is very helpful, and it will helpful for those that are starting the research and their research are in the initial stages. So here you go, citation score. Okay, and the papers are from these are the basically some links or citation. IPCC 2018 is the citation score, the human cost of climate change, the title, the author, the year, and citation score. See, so thank you for today. In the next video we will also discuss some more tips and tricks and some other tools also from the artificial intelligence world. Thank you so much.